In this video, I will show you how to use split screen on Android mobile. So let's get started. With split screen feature, you can use multitasking function that allows you to view two apps on the phone at once. Note that to use split screen, you need to have Android 7.0 or newer. First, on your Android mobile, open recent apps. If you have a newer Android device, you can swipe up from bottom of the screen until the recent apps appear. On older versions, tap the recent apps icon at the bottom of the screen, which is located next to the home button. Next, tap the app icon for the first app. You may need to long press the app on the certain Android versions. Now tap split screen. If you are using Samsung devices, tap open split screen view. Now you will get an option to select the second app. Tap on the second app to open. The apps will open in split screen mode and you can access those at the same time. So that is how you can use split screen on Android mobile. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.